What's up, Llanos fam? Today we are back with another
video.
And today, you better explain this because you got this.
Alright, so I was just laying in my bed like everybody else in quarantine. And maxed out my credit card. No, just kidding. No, just kidding.
Where's the Bible?
So I ordered this thing called Snack Crate. It's like snacks from around the world. And I decided to get one from Hawaii because who's going to Hawaii? Who got the money? Who wants to live under a box? No, but also we are in quarantine, so we can't be doing anything. And we live somewhere where there's no foreign food and nothing like that, so nothing interesting over here. So we're going to try this, and I decided to tell my brother.
Yeah.
To try it with me.
Oh, this looks lit.
Because if I die, guess what? He's coming with me. So.
We'll do a, yeah, go more in front. Hawaii.
This is from Hawaii. I'm sure you guys seen this on Facebook and stuff.
Moana.
But I seen it and I had to order it, and I got a lot of backlash for buying food, but it's alright.
You did?
Yeah, everybody was like, why you always buying food with your credit card? And like, this is the first thing I ever purchased with my credit card. So you know, I got a lot of hate for that. Oh, and I know you guys can see my belly.
You're 8 months solid. I mean 7 months.
7 months. He's trying to put me bigger than I am.
7 months solid.
7 months, almost 8.
And we got these cups because what?
There is supposedly a drink in here. Yes, there is. And we're going
How much you pay for this box?
$13.
$13?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay.
It's just.
I thought it was only 2 stuff.
No, there's candy in here too.
Okay.
It's just all the way in the bottom.
So we're gonna try the drink first?
We're going to try the drink. It's called, I don't know, Lilikoi Passion.
It sounds like atomic chemical.
I'm trying to open it. Don't mind my.
What's that picture? Is that a lemon?
Yes, no, it's a passion fruit, I think. Because if there's a lemon on a passion fruit thing, I'm worried.
It's very acidic. Yo.
Wow, they really wouldn't want nobody stealing this.
They were like, it's gonna shake.
Wow. Alright.
So. I mean, come on.
So it's passion fruit juice from. Alright.
To you.
I don't know if you guys can see it.
Period.
There we go.
Alright. So what is it called?
You guys are Hawaiian or anything?
Hawaiian Sun Lico. That one sounds.
Lilikoi Passion. This sounds like it's gonna be good.
I'm getting Lilo and Stitch vibes.
Ingredient: water, sugar, passion fruit juice. Something acid. Yeah, be lying. Alright, I'm gonna have my brother open this because my nails will fling off. We also have.
If the opening is like. It's a problem.
We also have potato chips.
That's when you know the soda gonna hit hard.
It's gonna be like. Yeah.
Very acidic.
We have potato chips called Maui Onion. So I'm guessing these are like onion rings. I find this so cool. My biggest dream is always.
It's more like what was it? Palcha. I mean.
Passion fruit.
Passion fruit.
That sounds.
But
real, that sounds like real premium. Like that came straight from the fruit. Next we have Hawaiian cookie candy bread. These are really cute. Super.
Sound good.
It sounds good. So if you guys ever wanted to go, that looks like a roach in there. Plum candy. Is that the seed? Isn't that like illegal to swallow? Or you die?
What seed, baby? What seed?
That is like the plum seed from inside, right?
Plum candy.
This is a plum candy, and I'm pretty sure that's a seed from inside, but...
Dude.
I don't know if you guys
It is.
I mean... The struggle.
It's a plum seed inside a hard candy.
Yeah, that's also the candy it comes with. I'm sure these are like onion rings. I really want to try these. They're called Maui.
Potato chips.
It's Maui, right?
Maui.
Cause I'm like
Maui Onion.
And Asian.
Asian.
These are like, they're kind of spicy. I'm just gonna send you straight to to talk to somebody in the bathroom. These are like sour, but like they look like chile.
If you know what I mean. Chile
If you know what chile peppers are, they're like fire.
Yo, muy.
And some cookie that's piaca. It's called a piaca cookie. This is cute.
Yo.
And they come with more candy, more of the little plum candy.
Oh, those must be good, man.
Yeah,
Very
they
popular.
really want. Alright, I'm gonna try to like bite the corner and not the direct seed from this one, because that sounds like my tooth is gonna. Yeah, there's no dentist open right now. So.
Alright, let's try the drink.
So we're gonna try the drink.
Yeah. I mean, the sound effect for what? You can't put too much. You don't even know how it tastes. Put all of
Alright,
ready? Let it go, because we don't know what we're getting into. Imagine we drink it.
It's already getting bubbly. Sir, anybody from Hawaii, can you tell me if it's supposed to bubble? If we're supposed to mix this with ice or anything? Ready? I mean
it needs sugar. I mean, like.
we're used to diabetes.
Hello, el azúcar pa cuando.
But it's a very like.
It's very diety.
It's a drink for people who have like high sugar and like can't drink a lot of sugar. But I mean, it's not bad.
That tastes like perfume.
It's probably the cup. Probably the cup.
Wait, what
Because
you
I had lotion on my hands, so it's probably the cup.
I know you farted. Yo.
If y'all heard that, that was not our butts. I swear there's a motorcycle outside or something. I mean, because why the sound effects? The ice was too big.
I don't know how to feel.
I mean, no, the mango?
That's what I'm saying.
I think passion fruit and mango have like a similar taste. Just a little bit. But how come like it don't taste like sugar but it has 160 calories? Like, you want me to get big off of drinking nothing with sugar?
It's like half a teaspoon of sugar.
Total fat is 0. So I mean, I guess.
I mean, did they ask for your weight?
They was like,
because baby, if they ever asked for my weight, they would have sent pure water, Hawaiian water.
Hawaiian water with coconut bites in it. Next, we're going to try the Maui Onion flavored potato chips. And you can see an onion, so I'm guessing by the onion there. This is real onion chips.
You imagine just balls of onions come out. They thick.
No, I think they're like potato chips.
They're a little thick.
Like the Lay's. It is like the Lay's. I've never.
How does it smell?
The smell.
A touch.
It actually smells kind of normal.
I think there's a regular potato.
It says
chips.
Maui Onion and there's an onion on it, so I'm guessing. We're gonna try this together. They're kind of spicy. Huh.
What am I doing?
Like this ain't. I mean, try it again. There's like a spice to it that I'm not getting. Alex, you're that one person that you don't want to eat potato chips around. He's that one boy in class that when you pull out the chips, he's looking at you and you give him one and he's like, hung.
Well, you know what they're giving me? They taste like Funyuns, but plain at the same time. Like, I don't understand, like, where's the taste buds? I see. That seems like it could be popular.
This is really good. I can see a popular. Go to the corner store and get some chips. I'll probably choose something more original. But
imagine you get to Hawaii. I'm what kind of chips? Original. No onion, Maui.
So now we're going to try the Hawaii original since 1921. I was reading what it said. I didn't mean to read that. Hawaiian cookies, candy bread, which
1920 what?
1921.
I see you successful everywhere. Praise the Lord.
Let's try these.
I bet you they're gonna taste like
enriched flour bleached.
Enriched flour bleached. Bleached.
It says bleached. Let's just let's try it.
What other crunchy things? What's that?
Like sprinkles. This is giving me like something I could eat without getting diabetes and stuff. Like this, you know what this tastes like? That Puerto Rican cookie that we have downstairs. I forgot what it was called, but it's not very sweet. I'm feeling like Hawaii gives. I'm
liking these. Yeah, they're good with these.
Hawaii is like a place where there's a lot of flavor, but it's not like a lot of fattening stuff. Like y'all don't want to give us sugar. Nothing.
Are we blurring? Oh.
It's pretty good.
Okay.
I really like those. I need something salty. It's very good. Taste one. And I'll taste the cookie.
Hawaii, I'm coming for you.
What I don't want to try is this. It looks like it's gonna really give us something to cry about. A giant piece of something in the middle.
I told you there was something squishy gonna come out. You need to like.
This is what the cookie looks like. Oh, I thought it was way too crusty for this camera. It has like pieces, and in the middle, if you can see in the back, there is a giant piece of something in the middle that I'm kind of scared to bite into. But we're gonna open it. It looks like guayaba, right?
Oh no.
It looks kind of hairy. It looks like there's some kind of hair in it.
Dude, that don't look safe.
Let's try it. Hold on. Hold on. I know you want to taste it.
Baby, I don't know.
Alex, is your beard hungry?
Oh.
Is this apple in
fart.
there?
That's fart in the middle. That's fart. It's like you know those fart bombs? When we had when we were younger?
It gave me some type of rhythm to sing to.
Yeah. I'm not a big fan.
It tastes like there's pieces of hair in your mouth a little bit. Like, I don't know. My taste buds is like off right now. Let me taste that.
I don't know.
I mean, I like the cookie itself. The inside just tastes a
bit. It's so messy.
Expired. It's like the it seems like the candy has been processed and at the end of the day, it just gave up and it got expired.
I mean, I'm trying to take it out my tooth, like.
That's like that, like a sugar cookie, but
infected.
No, it's still there.
What's next?
I mean, the cookie wasn't bad.
Let's give this baby a try.
Yeah, let's.
Alright, so these are Asia.
Second to last.
Asia Trans Li Hing Hu Rainbow Belts.
I smell it. That's crazy.
Every country has like their own type of like sour belt.
But if you really look at it, we have like similar things. They just put different things on it.
Looks different too.
Yeah, it looks real different. told you it was that spicy, boy. From the Pika Pika candy. Oh, something's happening. Oh my, you okay? I mean,
I don't know. There's a lot of stuff happening.
It's spicy, sweet, salty.
Right, salty. But then we get sweet.
And then we get spicy.
Then we get spice.
It's like that candy I got.
You know what this thing? It's just like medicine. Like that nasty, nasty medicine.
Let me say. Hold on.
It's just not. It's not it.
Wow.
It's not it.
It was in my teeth.
It's not.
It does not taste bad, guys. Well, it does taste bad. I'm lying. I'm just trying to.
It's just like, what were you trying to do?
It's like, it didn't tell me it had spice in it. It's not sweet and salty, but I mean, I guess. Like if you know.
I don't know. It's like a diet sugar. Like they replaced the real sugar with stevia. All right, guys. The last candy we have is
the plum candy, and it says that it has. Almost choked.
You see the plum seed?
Yeah.
That's
the candy is clear, and whatever you.
Oh.
The candy is clear itself. I'm gonna show you guys. Ooh, it's real sticky.
Oh my god, the plum seed is literally right there.
It probably got some more sauce powder on it.
What's more powder?
What was on that? So it's actually clear. Move back. Like a ball.
You'll wreck them.
Alright, it's actually a really sticky.
Yeah, it's mad sticky. Look at it. Wait.
I was just trying to take it out my hand. Hold on, let it focus.
JD, just alone taking that seed is disgusting.
That's definitely powder. Alright, ready? We're gonna.
No, this ain't the wave. It's nasty, but I'm gonna do it. I mean, but why the middle have to taste like that?
The candy is actually good. It doesn't taste like it's too sweet.
It left you a stain in your tongue.
It's powder.
It left a stain. How about me?
Yeah. I mean, I want to know what that powder is.
I mean, are they trying to like? It's not powder. It's a seed. A seed covered, or it's just like an old plum seed.
I think if it's an old plum seed, I'm not eating plums no more. I think they put that, you know, that chili type of powder. You seen in the Pika Pika candy. I think
That's Mexican candy.
Well, I tell you, we all the same here, because I don't know what that is. It tastes like it.
Not it.
I mean, but I'm gonna bite it so y'all can see. You try to take the plum out so you can see it. The candy is really good. That middle part. The candy tastes like
Candy apple.
like like the candy apple thing, but it's just not red. But that middle thing is throwing it way off.
They're trying to put like something sweet and like salty at the same time.
That wasn't the one. You ate the whole seed? Alex, I thought you was crunching over there. I might have to give him CPR in a little bit. No way seed here. Swallowing seeds. CPR session. I feel like I'm gonna bite my nail off.
My tooth gonna fall out.
Man, probably. I want to do the whole camera. Ah! Oh. This is the stain it leaves you. The middle part is like a red powder. This is not my saliva. This is just the stickiness of the candy. Put that behind it. Alright, now it's done. So the seed itself, I don't know if you guys ever, let us focus. I don't know if you guys ever, something's going on. You guys ever taste the Mexican candy? But it's like
Chile?
chile powder. It's like a chile powder. It's like a spicy powder, but it's not like really hot. It's just has a what is it called? I think it's chamoy. I think that's what they call it. Like they put it on their mangoes and stuff like that. That's what it tastes like. I have nothing else to say about this candy. So this was our
Hawaii snack
crate
review. No, we're not paid. Ad is not paid. This is not an ad or nothing. We just wanted to try it.
If you guys want to see more videos like this of us eating or trying stuff from around the world, just give it a thumbs up. Also wanted to give a disclaimer. I might go order another, not from Hawaii, but next we're going to Poland.
That sounds really dangerous.
We either going to Poland, England, I forgot the other one because I have like,
yeah,
I always forget, but I want to do it with my brother and stuff because it's a fun little video. You know, I get to bring you guys along to Hawaii. If you guys ever wanted to, excuse me, if you guys ever wanted to order something, it's only $13 for the mini crate, which I don't think that's expensive because I had a lot of little snacks in here and I got to try it. Even if one day I don't, you know, I don't go to Hawaii, I still tried a little bit. If anybody is Hawaiian from our fans or have anybody know a Hawaiian,
yes,
comment on there. We would like to hear some of your favorite snacks or anything from around the world.
yes.
And if you guys ever tried this, let us know.
So what was your favorite one?
So my favorite one probably had to be the
don't look back there.
that's the candy right there. I think I like the drink. And then the chips were actually really good.
I like this.
Yeah.
These cookies were bomb.
The chips were good. It just the flavors just threw me off a little bit. But if you mix one of those sweet things with a salty thing, it's pretty good. Like a cookie with one of the chips. I know that sounds mad big of me, but it's just really good.
Yeah. All right, guys. So thank you for watching this video. We do have an announcement. We want, if you guys, whoever's watching this and is a really big fan of us, we are looking for someone to make an intro video to be featured in one of our upcoming videos. We want you to go all out. We want you to see what you got, your creativeness. We just want to see what you can come up with, and we'll pick the winner. You guys can DM us the videos. This is our @ right here at the Llanos family. Remember, we are on TikTok now. It's the same @ the Llanos family. And Instagram, we have Instagram and Facebook. So you guys can follow us on all social medias. We are there. Make sure that for the intro submission, you guys can also either email it, which is in our description below, and all of our social medias. So you guys try your best. We want to pick someone. We want to acknowledge one of our fans. And we're gonna start doing again the notification shout outs for those who we see supporting. You guys can even pick twice. It don't matter as long as we see your support.
Right. And if you guys seen that new TikTok video that my brother posted of my lash falling out, I did not approve of that because of the simple fact that they enjoyed that my lashes were coming out. It was a rough one for me. I was trying to do that picture that everybody does on Instagram, but the hair flip and the water just there. But instead my lash came out, so we're never trying that again.
And if you guys want to see those videos, them bloopers, comment right now and say you want to see them so we can post them on IG.
Let us know if you guys have ideas. Now that we are in quarantine, we can't really do much, so we want to make it up to you guys by making more videos of what you guys will want to see. If you guys want to see us eating or just any funny videos, we'll really appreciate that.
And the baby video is coming soon. We're really working hard on it. We just don't want to throw a baby video, a random baby. We really want to take you guys through the journey that Johnny had as being a pregnant woman. And especially in times like this in COVID, that is hard. We want to make sure you guys get all the details because you guys are our family. So if you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button, share this video and like it. And
wait, what we saying?
We'll be back with more videos.
Okay.
Alright, Llanos fam, we'll be back with more videos.
You covered it the wrong, Alex. You covered it the wrong way.
Alright, Llanos fam.
Hold on, I sound like I choked.
Listen.
Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Alright, Llanos fam, we'll be back with more videos.
You're supposed to show Hawaii and then put it closer.
Oh. Alright, Llanos fam, we'll be back
with more. Cause at this point they just see something blue.
Oh, you want to show them?
Hawaii. Slower.
Alright, Llanos fam.
Wait. 1, 2, 3.
Alright, Llanos fam, we'll be back with more videos. Hawaii.